Indonesian curriculum development consists of meaning-based curriculum and competency-based curriculum. Curriculum is the basic of teaching and learning process. It also learning plans that not only planning about learning process but also development individuals. Meaning-based curriculum is a communicative approach as a compulsory subject to make the students to be a people who not only have a good knowledge but also develop them through technology and culture. Further, the aspects in meaningful approach are linguistic for oral and written expression. The material should appropriate to students' needs and interests, and teacher as a facilitator for the student during teaching learning process. On the other hand, competency-based curriculum is emphasizing the competence learning to provide the quality subjects. It includes 204, 206, and 2004, 2006, and 2013 curriculum. 2004 curriculum is a set of planning that organizes where the environment and school potency should be appropriate to achieve the national expectation. Then 2006 curriculum arranged by each unit of school. Nevertheless, the 2013 curriculum developed the students' affective, cognitive, and psychomotor. Now, in the conclusion, the standard of the 2004 and 2006 curriculum promotes students for English skill, but the 2013 curriculum standard promotes the religious, social knowledge and knowledge acquisition. There are two kinds of Indonesian curriculum development. That is MBC and CBC, which is described by theoretical dimension. The theoretical of MBC and CBC 2004 and 2013 describe concentric model in which curriculum on the sketch and instruction on the subsystem. In contrast, the theoretical dimension of CBC in the 2006 describes interlocking model in which curriculum and instruction are developed by students. MBC proposes English teacher with thematic development and CBC proposes English teacher with syllabus development. Thematic development on English subject matter curriculum or ESMC. In 1994, curriculum contains 5 components. Include objective for students' English skills and language components. Selected themes for students, science, technology, and art. Functional text for expressions and language components, namely grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation and vocabulary. Furthermore, syllabus development on ESMC in CBC in the 2004 curriculum contains 4 components of 4 English skills. The first one is standard of competence in students, oral and communication, interaction, and monologue, text based on text types. Second, basic competencies in students' understanding of development. The first one is standard of competence in first skill in which listening to understand but speaking to express out of conversation and monologue text based on text type. Reading to understand but writing to express out of text types. 7. Basic competencies in first skill in which listening to respond but speaking to express out of transactional, interpersonal, and short functional conversation. Reading to respond but writing to express out of text and essay. In addition, syllabus development on ESMC and CBC, the 2006 curriculum provides two components from syllabus development. The first one is a standard of competence in first skill in which listening to understand but speaking to express out of conversation and monologues based on text type. Reading to understand but writing to express. Syllabus development on ESMC in 2013 curriculum provides two components. The first one is core competencies, or CC, consists of social attitudes, knowledge, and knowledge application. And the second is basic competence in social attitude, show responsible and harnessed by knowledge application to get information from explanation text and complementary text to overcome social problem. Okay, the conclusion is there are two kinds of curriculum model developed in Indonesia, namely meaning-based curriculum and competency-based curriculum. Each curriculum almost has the same mission. It provides the guidance for the teachers in teaching learning process. Okay, I think enough my presentation. The next presentation will be presented by Rizky Roshidayani.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
There are four models of curriculum, theoretical dimension. The first one is the realistic model. Describe that the curriculum sits on one side, meanwhile the instruction sits on the other. The second one is interlocking model. Describe that both curriculum and instruction are an integrated position. The third one is a concentric model. Illustrate that the curriculum is instruction in one component in the sketch and the other one in the subsystem. And the last one is a cyclical model. Describe the curriculum instruction relationship and instruction curriculum relationship on the separate
Dud.
Students with core skills are writing, speaking, There are some reading skill aspects that support model of GBPP development. Emphasize are grammar, pronunciation, students' knowledge, vocabulary, art and technology. In competency-based curriculum or CDC, have three basic curriculum. The first, the 2004 curriculum, contains a set of planning and organization of competence to achieve national objectives in adjustable environment and school potential. And the second is the 2006 curriculum, known as School Level Curriculum or CLC, is operational curriculum which is arranged and performed by each unit of school. And the last 2013 curriculum has a effect from the 2004 and 2006 curriculum, of which the curriculum development consists of affective, cognitive, and psychomotor. There are two kinds of Indonesian curriculum involved.
Yes.
The first one is MDC or meaning-based curriculum, and the second one is CDC competency-based curriculum. The model of MDC curriculum planners provides thematic development and the skill of reading, listening, speaking, writing, and as well as pronunciation and vocabulary. And the model of CDC in the 2003 planners provides a standard of competencies, basic competencies, learning indicators, learning materials. And the last is the model of CDC in the 2013 curriculum planners provide. The first one is the core competencies, learning scenario and allocation, basic competencies, learning materials, and learning resource. Okay, class, training and all for many presentation today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Tepuk tangan, tepuk tangan. Akulah suara dikit. Mana cara save-nya nih? Baca cara save-nya.